We will stop until you win. The end of the show, but the party's going on. Bring it to the beat until you're getting dead. Now we have to take the last. Making it dying, your head's undenying. The subconscious of race tonight. Race for pleasure. Come with us tonight.
Through space and time, I infiltrate every part of your mind. Under my influence, I'm completely subliminal. I'm bigger than biblical, I propel every criminal. Still, silent, sterile, desolate and rippleless. Know that you are powerless. Saddle up and grapple with it. Know that I will shackle, impede and paralyze those that battle with it. Come a little closer to me. Have you figured it out? Come a little closer to me. You are under my control. You are a goldfish, I am the bowl. You're swimming in circles, I am eternal. I am the bowl. You think this water is limitless? It's stagnant and spiritless. There's no music, just tinnitus. Jesus ain't gonna save ya. He's a shit multitasker, but I can send you to slaughter whilst I moonwalk on water. Come a little closer to